Howdy fellow Sublimation peeps. In today's video we're going to be printing on a Walmart, the George brand Raglans. There you go. And you can find these at the incredible price of $6.88. These are really nice. They feel really good. Rumor has it these are 100% poly shirts. So we're going to check it out and see what we can just see how they print. Alright guys, the first step is getting our design. This is the design we'll be printing today. Just a messy bun hairdo thing. The Roll Tide font is in Daddy's Girl medium with a Photoshop fake bold on it. And we are doing this right at an 11 by 17. It's a 10.5 by 13.5. So just big enough to put on our 15 by 15 press. 300 DPI. Right now we're printing these at our usual settings, which are a premium presentation matte, mirrored with high quality setting. Nothing special at all. And if you're curious how this design was made, it started out as just a standard messy bun thing, and then I clipped just this layer alone. Then this is how the layers add up, and then this is the last layer. See, it's the same thing, but it has a pattern overlay that's transparent. You add your white layer and then your base layer. Just combine all those, throw them on here, add the text at the bottom. There you go. Easy peasy. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get this printed. And I'll catch you guys on the other side. And we'll go ahead and get it pressed and everything. And we'll see how this $6.88 Walmart shirt turns out. Guys, we have the press set to 375 degrees. We're going to go ahead and just get this on here and go ahead and see what we can do. I always like doing Raglans because they're so easy to line up on the heat press. Like, man, just put your corners on there and you know it's reasonably straight, which is freaking awesome. Yep. Pull the end over a little bit, and there we go. We'll go ahead and give it a quick lit roll. Oh, this off a little bit now. There we go. And this is the design we'll be using today. So what we'll do to avoid press marks, we're just going to tear the edge. And it keeps any residue from the paper, you know, on that leading edge of the paper. You know how sometimes that'll be some shenanigans. We're going to give it a quick pre-press, but first let's get us another piece of paper. And this is just regular old butcher paper, nothing special. Nothing special. We'll go ahead and do about a quick 10-second pre-press. Hey, biscuit. What are you doing, big pal? There's us about 10 seconds. Now we got a nice flat surface to work with. And again, we're pressing these at 375 for about 70. We can actually go something like that. Somewhere right off in there. And we'll go ahead and get this pressed. Just butcher paper. And we're doing it 375 for 70 seconds. Coming up on about 5 seconds left. Let's see how it prints. We got magic sublimation smoke. Oh my goodness. That's actually really good. Look at those colors. Like, that's actually really good. Nice. And that is how you print the George brand. We're going to turn that heat press off. Alrighty, guys, another successful print. And this is the, again, this is the George brand at Walmart. The 688 Raglans that print this good. Like, look at that. That's really good. Those colors, man. That print's so good for a $6 shirt from Walmart. Like, that's insane. Like, look how black the blacks are and stuff. These are insane for a $6 shirt. I can't tell you just how happy I am with these. But yeah, if you found this video helpful, feel free to like it and also subscribe to the channel for more projects like this. You know, we love sublimation. We love doing stuff for sublimation. So yeah, I mean, if you want to learn more about sublimation and just learn how to do it on the cheap, then I'm your guy. So, guys, I appreciate it, and y'all have a good day.